Hello, year 1A. How are you today? It's the end of the week. You have all worked so hard. So quickly this morning, you have handwriting to do as part of today's work. And I'm not very sure if you know how to use these lines. I have explained this before in the video I shared 2 weeks ago. But quickly, I'm just going to talk using the line alone. I remember I had explained it using alphabet card that's got all the letters on it. So these are our writing lines. You are expected to write on 4 lines. This is line 1, this is line 2, this is line 3, and this is line 4. So when you have your alphabet card next to you, I don't know if you had printed one, you can easily download one and keep it next to you. So when you're practicing your writing today, look out for letters that are tall, letters that like the lowercase d, and make sure you do the circle between lines 2 and 3 and take the stroke back up. So for all tall letters, you need to have your letters written from line 1 to line 3. For letters that have tails, like I told you in my last video, letters like lowercase g, you have your circle between lines 2 and 3. Then you go down line 3 and swing until you get to line 4 and it's resting there. Same goes for the letter J. You go on line 2, down line 3, down line 4, and it rests on line 4. Then you have letters that will be between lines 2 and 3. They're not tall and they don't have tails. So you just write them beautifully between line 2 and 3, like your O goes here, your A goes here, your N goes here. Your Y has a tail, so it will not go between line 2 and 3. Your Y will have to start from line 2, 3, touching down to line 4, and then you rest nicely on line 4. So that's about all you'll be doing with your handwriting. If you don't get it the first time, don't worry about it. But I want you to print out the sheet, which is why I have attached it into this learning, and keep practicing so you get used to it. For math, you have a small assessment to do on Education City today. The link is on the planning, so tell mom or dad to click on that link and it takes you directly to the page where you will do your assessment. It's very easy. It's on all the things we've done this week, 2 numbers, adding on 1 and 2, looking at number patterns and all of that. And remember, you had a chance to work with the 100 chart where you had done addition and subtraction, jumping on the lines. Very good. So now it's your turn to write your own numbers from 1 to 100. So this chart, you will go and fill it up. There are actually 100 boxes on this page. So every box needs to be filled up with numbers from 1 until 100. I know you're very smart kids, and I know you'll be able to do it without anybody's help. Do it, get it done, attach it, upload it on Dojo so I can have a look before you go for your weekend. I hope you have a nice time. By the way, I saw your social studies yesterday. It was very, very pretty, where you had showed me all the continents on the world map. You are very, very smart. Well done, everybody. And we're equally doing well. We are doing well and in Dojo points. Keep engaging. You make me so proud. I'm so proud of all of you.